What preventative maintenance procedures do you perform on batteries? It's a pretty much a third split on all the proper things that you should be doing. So terminal cleaning and corrosion prevention. Again, you should always be cleaning your terminals, make sure those connections are good. Battery recharging and equalization. Again, depends on if it's the house battery bank that is supplying power to the auxiliary loads and sleeper units. We don't really want to be equalizing starting batteries, but a nice good recharge is good. And then cable connection and inspections. So, a lot of times, you'll hear that the battery's bad, something's not working. And really, if you trace the cable from the battery to the starter or the alternator, you might see a pinched cable that's causing the issues, in the system. And then 4% battery replacement schedule. And so again, that's I like to see it. I sell batteries. So if you have a schedule that tells you when you need to replace them, that's good.